Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So suddenly this small black window is coming for transfer and for short time and it will gone again. So might be this is a related your startup app, your disabled app, or your Windows Explorer and sometime graphic card also. So first step, click to start and type task manager. Right click to run as administrator. Full screen it. Find out Windows Explorer. Right click. Oh my god. Then click to restart. After that, task bar will go on and come back again. Okay. Then next method, restart graphic card driver. So I show in the keyboard, on screen keyboard. Control Windows Control Shift. This three key press at one. Windows Control Shift press and then press B. Same time. Then after that it will blink it. Control Shift, Windows Control Shift and long press and then press. Don't hold this three key and press B. So screen it B, refresh it, then close it. Next, perform clean boot. Click to start, type run and type ms config, then click to OK. Then click to service and select all hidden file to disable all, then apply and then OK and then close it. Okay, then install the graphic card driver. This is so important for your this. So I'm giving this Intel uh, graphic card driver download update for the Windows 11. If you are using different, don't worry. So first link, this is Intel download center. Click on it and scroll down. Then this is a automatic. If you don't know the model number, graphic card, and this, so you can download Google Assistant. So it will be easily to detect and then you can download it. If you want to manually, so you can see graphic card, wireless, server product, Ethernet, and then chipset. All drivers is different categories. So click on graphic card. Then Intel ARC graphic card. This is latest Pro graphic card, Windows 4, and your EU generations also. So if you, which is you using, you can search here. Okay, so ARC, click on it, then scroll down and you can also choose your operating latest OS version also, and then click to download. After that it will start. It will size 877 MB. Then it is completed. Then just single click to open. And if you are using different graphic card, different model number, so you can download driver, because of we need to update a display driver. It is started. So it is installed. Then guys, restart your system. Thank you.